Do you have multiple channels on YouTube? Do you wish to show your channels so that your subscribers can join other channels? I'm going to show you how to add channels to your YouTube channel. What are featured channels? Featured channels are a section on your YouTube channel that you can use to showcase other channels that you enjoy. When someone visits your channel, they'll be able to see the featured channels right below your videos. When you're adding channels to your featured channels section, there are a few things to keep in mind. Choose channels that are relevant to your audience. You want to make sure that the channels that you feature are relevant to the interests of your audience. This will help to keep them engaged and coming back for more. Choose channels that you enjoy. You're more likely to promote channels that you enjoy yourself. This will come across in your video descriptions and other promotional materials, which will make people more likely to check out the featured channels. Choose channels that have a good following. Channels with a large following are more likely to attract viewers to your channel. This is because their subscribers will see your channel featured on their channels, and they may be interested in checking out your content. How to add channels to your featured channels section. First, you need to open your browser. Write on the address bar studio.youtube.com. Log in if you are not logged in with your account. On the left side of the screen, click Customization. You have on this page a Featured Sections. This appears on your channel page. Under Featured Sections, click Add Section. Select Featured Channels. Enter a title for your Featured Channels section. Now on the search, write the channel name that you want to add. The system will automatically search for the channel and show you a list. Select the checkbox of the channel you want to add on your featured list. You can select multiple channels. You see on the right that the channels are added on the list. You can move them and order them how you like. After you finished, click on Done. Now click Publish. Let's see how the channel page looks. I will just move to the tab where the channel homepage is added. Let me refresh the page. You see now are added on this page the channels I added. This is how you add channels to your channel on YouTube. That's it. That's how you add channels to your YouTube channel. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching my video on how to add channels to your YouTube channel. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks again for watching.